We'll clone the channel under Claude's free limit. We're going to create these viral-style, faceless documentary videos. Also, we'll create thumbnail, channel logo, and banner. Also, a secret website for monetized accounts. So stay tuned. For this video, we are cloning the channel Fern. We need to prepare a source file of this channel. Open the YouTube channel. Go to the popular videos. Open the videos into a new tab. I am picking only the popular and interesting videos. While the video is playing, copy its title. Open a new document and paste the title. Go back. In the description, scroll down. Here you'll find Show Transcript. The transcript will be shown at the right side. From there, you can copy the transcript manually. Or you can copy the link of the video. Go to this YouTube transcript website. From there you can copy the transcript in one click. Paste the script below under the title. In the same way, copy the title of next video, paste it into Docs, then copy the link and get the transcript, then paste it into Docs. The more data, the more better results will be. To play the video in full screen and screenshot the animations that you want to clone. I am taking a lot of screenshots. In Docs, write a new title. Here I've taken the screenshots. Select them all, drag them, and drop them into Document, and they will be automatically uploaded. They are arranged into the document. Next, we need to upload thumbnails. There should be a title for it. Go to the channel and only copy the link of the video with thumbnail that you liked. Go to this thumbnail downloader website and paste the link. Instead of downloading, drag the thumbnail and drop it directly into Docs. Go back to the channel and copy the link of another video. In the same way, drop it into Document. You have to repeat these steps and insert a lot of videos. Now title the scripts, Model Scripts. Scroll down and title the visuals as Visuals, and also paste this prompt just to achieve these type of documentary visuals. Again, scroll down to Thumbnails and title them as Model Thumbnails. That's it. The document is ready. Go to Files, then Download, and select PDF document. The PDF will start downloading. The source PDF is ready. Now let's move to the video creation. Open Claude AI. In the description, you'll find this master prompt. Copy it from start to end. Paste it into Claude, and it will train Claude about cloning the channel. It is asking for the source PDF. Just upload the PDF and type, "Here's the source PDF." Once it has fetched all the detail from PDF, type Go to get started. Now you'll get channel names, channel descriptions, logo prompt, and banner prompt. That's everything for a channel branding. Instead of creating a new channel, I went to this website, where they sell standard account for $250 and premium for $1,000. I purchased the $250 one account, and I got this channel with 2.5K subscribed and already monetized. According to my experience, they sell real organic accounts, so your money is safe and you should get one also. Now first let's generate the logo and banner. Open Flow and create New Project. Copy the logo prompt. In Flow, switch to Image, ratio 1:1, and model should be Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. The logos are generated, and I like the first one. Then copy the banner prompt and change the ratio to 16:9. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. Download it also. In Channels Customization, upload the logo and the banner. Pick a name for your channel, and then the description. As you can see, the branding is done and is ready to post. Now type Next into Claude, and you'll get 10 unique ideas for your video. If you look carefully, these are like the viral videos, but they are not direct copied, but are unique and new. Pick one idea, enter it. Now you have to choose the script duration. It is recommended to choose from 5 to 10 minutes, but for this tutorial, let's choose 90 seconds. First, we need to convert it into voiceover. You should watch this video, where I've shared 8 free AI voice generators. Let's open Minimax. Go to Text to Speech. Paste the script. In Voices, choose Documentary, then select Language and the accent. Play and find a suitable voice.
July 2012. A glass-walled conference room on the 17th floor of the U.S. Department.
Once it's ready, download it in WAV format. Let's move to next steps on Claude. Again, type just Next. This time, you'll get the characters of the documentary along with their creation prompt. Go to Flow, Copy the character prompt, paste it. Choose 1:1 as ratio and Nano Banana Pro as model. Here the characters are generated. Now again, enter next. And it will ask you if you have a visuals flow in your mind. If not, just type design it, and it will design a complete visuals prompt for you. For video generation, we have 3 options: paid, which is best, freemium, which is good, and free, which is just okay. As you can see that, each chapter duration is 15 seconds and a very long prompt. The paid option is OpenArt. Go to video. In models, choose multi-shot and you'll find a lot of models. It's all in one tool. Also in images, you'll find a lot of different models, as well as an audio, so it's a secure investment. Let's choose Kling as the model. Switch to text with reference. Enable multi-shot. Go back and download the characters that we generated before. Upload the character images into OpenArt. Select the images as reference. Go back and copy the shot 1, paste it into shot 1, and adjust the duration. Go back and copy the second shot. Click on Add Shot to add new, and paste it to the shot 2, and adjust the duration. In this way, add shots to their specific part, and you can create a masterpiece there. But obviously, it's expensive. The freemium option, we have Google's Flow. It gives 100 free credits on sign up and 50 credits daily. In Flow, switch to video. In models, if you choose Omni Flash, you can generate up to 10 seconds of video. Also, you can control the duration. Drag and drop the characters as ingredients. Go back and start selecting the shots together till 10 seconds duration. Paste it into Flow. Go back and copy the style prompt separately. Also paste it in the end. Hit generate. It can take longer than the VEO 3 model. The video is generated. Then copy the remaining shots. Paste them in the same way and generate. You can download them in 720p or upscale it to 1080p. In the free option, we have Meta AI. Go back and only copy one shot at a time. Type create in 16:9 video and paste the prompt. Go back and copy the style prompt, paste it along. Click on the plus icon to upload the character images. Hit generate. 3 videos are ready. These are not as good as OpenArt or Google's Flow, but good enough as a free tool. Go back to Claude and type next. Now it will give the prompts for thumbnails. Copy the first variant. In Flow, generate it using Nano Banana Pro. The first variant is generated. Let's generate other variants. Here I've generated a few variants. Let me delete the extra to show you clearly. Now you can see the 4 best thumbnails, and honestly they are great. Last step is editing. Open any editing software like CapCut. Select, drag, and drop all the files to CapCut. Drag them to the timeline. Do some basic editing, add external clips, music, etc. and make it better. Go to monetized assets to get a 100% organic and safe channel.